Hey folks, welcome to Sit Down, presented by Coastal RV. I'm your host, Jonathan, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with our East to West Delaterra rep, Matt. How you doing today, Matt?
Doing good, Jonathan. How are you doing?
Good, thanks for joining me. I appreciate you sitting down with me for a little bit.
No problem.
So, how have you been? Been good?
I've been doing good. Things have been good.
I know we were both sick a couple weeks ago, so we
That's
got to
right.
reschedule this.
Yeah.
So, if you want to tell the public on kind of what your role is with East to West.
I am the regional sales manager for the Southeast for the Delaterra travel trailers. So that means that I just help the dealers. I sell them the trailers and help them into training and stuff like that. And any kind of issues that come up, they will call me and ask me about.
Yeah, definitely issues. But the nice thing is, too, I force them to do things like this, some of the reps. How long have you been with East to West?
Been with East to West for 5 years now.
5 years. So you've been through the COVID years, got through those, and now we're on the other side of that last few years. And
that's right.
Coming out. Well, today we're sitting in a brand new 2025 East to West Delaterra 261 RB, one of my favorite floor plans, our best-selling floor plan in all reality. Great unit. They do a lot of good things on the Delaterras and the East to West as a brand as a whole. What are some of the different things on the 2025s to opposed to the 2024s? I know there wasn't major changes.
There wasn't any major changes. The major changes was on the outside. There are a few things that we added on the inside. We added some more USB ports in different places.
And Type-C, I see
and
that.
We have the Type-C ones now too. So the outside was the main change. I don't think there was. Oh, we did start doing the Bluetooth speaker. I forgot about that.
Yep,
Bluetooth speaker and Smart TV. Smart TV started probably about 6 months ago.
Good.
So now everything has a smart. If it has a TV, it's a smart TV.
Good. That's a nice thing for the consumer.
Yeah.
The big changes really were on the outside.
Yeah.
I will say East to West does they didn't have to do a lot of changes. They did a really good job in 24 and even 23, but 24 and then into 25, they didn't have to do much to really stand out because their quality and the presentation, they're immaculate for what you can get by. Like this 261 for, there isn't something else on the market that can touch it. There really isn't.
No, there isn't.
I mean, between the 3H, you do the better walls, the 3H thick walls, plywood cabinets for a stick and tin, aluminum sided trailer. There's not a lot you can beat on this. I put this up against a lot of the nicer fiberglass because of what you have to offer in this unit.
I get a lot of people that are inside this trailer and they forget that it's a stick and tin or a conventional build. They think they're in a laminated trailer and then they're like, oh, I forgot this isn't a laminated trailer because the way it feels on the inside, it feels like a higher end laminated trailer.
It's light, it's bright. You feel the quality walking into it.
Right.
I mean, up until walking in the showers in the bathroom, it's their nice quality. They're not bouncing up and down so much.
Yeah.
Just overall, Delaterra does a great job, and I really think East to West as a whole, I think their product line is really great.
And I think that a lot of that has to do with our story, which is that Forest River was started by a guy named Pete Legal in 1996. And about 6 years ago or so, Lisa, his daughter, wanted to get in the RV business, so he started East to West for her. So it's the founder's daughter that runs East to West. So of course we're going to get special treatment. We got the best people on the production line. I've known Mr. Legal since 1989. Most of the people that work for Pete or work for East to West have worked for him for a long time, especially the people in production.
Yeah,
so it's a very well built trailer,
and that really shows in these.
It does. I mean, and we're also a woman run company, so we're real proud of that too.
And that's why the decors are so nice. That's why everything kind of
And all of our names, we have Delaterra, Alta, Tandera, Ahara, Entrada. All of our brand names end in A because that's the feminine version of the word. So we are really proud of the female run thing.
And it's I mean, they're amazing. You guys are amazing to work with. I've been lucky enough to carry two of their brands. Currently, we have these Delaterra. I had the Alta when you guys first came out. I loved the Alta. I think they're as a fiberglass side trailer for a little bit higher price point. They do a great job.
Right.
But it's very similar to Delaterra. I mean, down to the nice, they put good doors on their bathrooms.
Right.
Their sliding doors aren't coming in hanging off the sides. They really.
We have sliding doors. Most stick and tins don't have sliding. They're mostly doors that open up and they're in the way.
Accordion or some weird thing.
Some weird thing. We have actual doors. Yeah.
Another nice thing about these, all king beds.
All king beds, yep.
Now it can be down to a queen if you'd
like that. You can
make
it a queen. Our single axles are queen, but anything with a double axle is a king bed.
I mean, we do order a little bit. I mean, for this trailer, this is
26-foot box, yeah.
26 bucks. 2 ACs on it.
Yep.
We're in South Carolina.
Yeah.
The other cool thing, I guess, about you is out of all our reps, you're close by.
Yeah, I live in Charlotte. Yeah.
Right up the street. So Most of our manufacturers are in the Indiana area.
Right.
I've had a few in Oklahoma and other places, but most of the time they're traveling from the cold down here and the warm. It's nice to have Matt so close to home. He's great, helps us out a lot, and they've been a great partner of ours, and I love them. We're doing our best to carry a full line. We're working on it right now, but with the 2025s coming out, I mean, I'll put some pictures on the video. The outsides, they knocked it out of the park. They really did.
Yeah.
From the front, you don't think you're looking at a traditional stick and tin camper. It really feels higher end,
right?
But you're still not paying that higher end price tag, which is nice for the consumer. I mean, overall, great units. What's your favorite floor plan?
It's going to be a toss-up between this one, which is the 261 RB is the one we're in, or the 251 RD. Those are both of my favorites.
I like the RD.
This is the number one. So 261 RB is number one, 251 is number two, but they're only about 15 trailers apart. So you could almost say they're tied for number one.
In all reality, in the industry, that's close.
Yeah.
Now, have you guys any redesigns coming out for any newer?
We did come out with some new floor plans at Expo back in September. Todd, your owner, was there, and he saw we have a 263 rear kitchen that has a bedroom slide, and we have a 221 ML, which is an ML is mid living room. It's got a front kitchen with a bathroom back there, it's a rear kitchen with a bathroom, and then a front king bed up in the front. We came out with our 292 MK. We now call it a 272 RL. We shortened it up, took some of the weight out of it.
Which is nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
And that's one of my favorite floor plans.
Right, and now it's a half-ton towable. Before it was not.
It was on the cusp of not being.
Right.
So, that 263 RK. I'm not lucky enough to have seen it yet.
Right.
We got kitchen, rear
kitchen. Yeah.
Is it a walk-through bathroom, pass-through? Or
it's a side bathroom. So your sofa sits across from the bathroom, and the TV is on the bathroom wall.
Right.
It's a really nice setup. And then the rear kitchen, the whole back is a great big window. It's just fantastic.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I look forward to seeing that when it finally hits the lot.
Yeah. You should be getting it probably in December.
I can't wait.
Yeah.
I know we did some orders. I particularly love the East to West Delaware. I really, we don't, here at Coastal RV, as I've mentioned in other videos, we do our best not to carry junk. We're very picky. We go through these things like a fine-tooth comb, and that's another thing why I love about East to West. Is out of all of our manufacturers, and heck, the ones I've dealt with in my industry, these come almost 100% ready to sell from the factory.
I hear that a lot.
A good detail sometimes. I mean, you get little things from coming up and down the road, but most of the times it's a really nice detail. I'm not replacing hot water heaters in these when they're coming in. I don't have to reseal roofs. You're getting a good product. And that's what I appreciate. Right. Is they come and they're ready to go. So you've been with East to West for 5 years. How long have you been in the industry?
I grew up in Elkhart, Indiana, where these were all made. So I started when I was 17 years old at Coachman in the mailroom. So I've never had a job other than being in the RV business since I'm 17.
And that's what they say. Once you're in it, you're a lifer. I wish I personally got in it earlier in life, but I'm never going. I love this industry. I think it's great. It's fun.
Yeah,
you meet a lot of great people, and it's a really small niche. It's a weird small niche community. It's huge, but it's not.
Right. It's small.
You interact with a lot of people personally from other dealerships, other companies, and it's, we're all in competition with each other, but it's more, for the most part, it's friendly. Now, there are a few bad eggs out there and stuff like that, but, overall, we're blessed enough to have a lot of great reps and carry a lot of great products, and I'm happy that East to West is one of those lineups.
Right.
You can check us out at coastalrvcenter.com. Look at any of the floor plans we have to offer. We do currently, because this is going out late 2024, I have a couple of late model 24s still left on the lot that are out there for good pricing and good deals. I have a couple of nice bunkhouses. The 312, which is a huge, nice bunk, and the 300 DB, which is another great floor plan. I look forward to carrying more of these and getting more on the lot and getting these 2025 shot and out there so you guys can see them. This one's actually not even on our website. Technically, it's not up on our website yet. I have to shoot some photos and get you guys to see it. But as always, please like and share the video. If you like more of these sit-downs where I'm just kind of talking back and forth, not about anything particular, more just getting to know the reps, please comment below. Let me know. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook and on YouTube. We're working on a TikTok. That's next. Where can anybody learn more about East to West?
You can go to our website at eastwestrv.com. It's also, you can go to the Forest River website and get there from there too, either way. Awesome. And that'll tell you all of our story, and it shows all of our floor plans and all of the different models that we make and all that stuff.
And if there's something that you see on there you like that we don't have, I'll definitely be able to get it for you. Matt will help me out.
Yeah.
You can also follow them on Instagram and Twitter. I'll put all the tags in below. And once again, I'd like to thank you, Matt, for sitting down. I know it was quick, easy. Thank you guys for tuning in to Sit Down, presented by Coastal RV Center. I'm your host, Jonathan. See you later.